because I'm contesting. And he, therefore, did say that he has his brother and friend. And I was very keen to see the brother and friend. And yesterday I had an opportunity for the first time to see this man of God. I'm telling you, I feel I am going to win the elections.
I was President Zuma. I'm telling you, you can't script South African politics.
I'm very happy that I visited this great country at the right time.
Arrogantly, he even releases a video, I came to see my friend. Yeah, because there in South Africa, they chased my friend unfairly. Those people, we're dealing with them.
So my friend said he would love me to visit this wonderful place.
It was about him reclaiming leadership of the country.
In fact, when people were marching in the streets on the 30th, Zuma was in India with the Guptas, having a great time.
Uhambo luka Jacob Zuma lamazwe ngamazwe luphinde lwashiya iANC ithukuthele. Uhambo lakwamuva lukamongameli wangaphambili eNdiya ukuyohlangana noAJ Gupta lubangele intukuthelo ngaphakathi kweqembu elibusayo. uZuma uqinisekisile ngokusobala ukuthi uvakashele uAJ Gupta, umbaleki owayefunwa ngezinsolo zokubanjwa kombuso.
I'm very happy that I visited this great country at the right time. I was coming to a brother and friend of mine that was in South Africa for a long time because of some people in South Africa who were not happy with what they were doing in the country, that I was working with him as well. They decided to say he must leave the country. And that was a very unfortunate thing. And he went away.
Abaholi be-ANC bathukuthele kakhulu. Ilungu le-ANC lase-KZN lifuna iphalamende lixoxe ngamalungelo kaZuma, limsola ngokwasebenzisa kabi ngokuzihlanganisa nombaleki.
They must discuss the visit of former President Zuma to India and to meet the Guptas. The Guptas are fugitive for justice in this country. They are criminals. They are fugitive. Now, the former president is got privileges as a former head of state. Now, one thing that must be discussed, does he really still deserve those privileges of being a former head of state? Because I still believe that even if you're a former head of state, to get those privileges because a certain conduct, a certain expectation is expected from you. One mistake I think we did was to ignore when he was found guilty and sent to prison for more than 12 months without an option of a fine. That one should have told us that we must revisit the issue of privileges of being a former president. Because in South Africa, you can't hold office if you are found guilty to an imprisonment sentence of 12 months or more without an option of a fine. We ignored that. We can't ignore this one. We can't ignore a former head of state who's taken care of by the state, a constitutional democracy, to visit a fugitive and say nothing wrong and speak the way he has spoken. I think I'm challenging the parties in parliament that in parliament, there must be debate in parliament about the conduct of former President Zuma to visit the Gupta family, to visit the Guptas who are fugitive in this country, who are needed to come back and answer for their crimes. It can't happen. It can't happen. There's no, otherwise this democracy will collapse. Will collapse this democracy. There can be nobody that is above the law, that is above scrutiny. We must act. This calls for us to act and act decisively.
Futhi unobhala jikelele we-ANC uFikile Mbalula ukhumbuze isizwe ngomonakalo omkhulu wezomnotho obangelwe ihlazo lamaGupta. Umonakalo uZuma awazi kahle kakhulu.
We are sitting here, we had the Zondo Commission himself. He ran away at lunchtime. He had to endure every pain. And there were riots in this country that cost lives, that hammered our economy. He announces that go and repeat the same, and then he goes and see his friends. We are looking for them here in the country to come and account. They ran away, scot-free. This problem of illegal immigration, he was president leading. He knows even from then we're dealing with this problem.
Ungqongqoshe wezobudlelwano namazwe ngamazwe uRonald Lamula uxwayise uZuma ukuthi angeke akwazi ukusebenzisa inqubomgomo yezangaphandle efanayo ngaphandle kwegunya likahulumeni.
And look into how can we have this on the other side. His presidential privileges allows him to have benefits and all that. How do we balance it with someone who is not supposed to represent the South African government? Because it was a bit easy in the past sometimes when the former presidents will no longer be fully in active politics. But it's clear now, former President Zuma is in active politics. What does it mean with our foreign policy? And his party has got a different perspective on foreign policy and all that. So his privileges are not just about diplomatic facilitations, also domestically internal, which is not our baby, it's for our other departments. But with us, it does impact us negatively that the former heads of state will be running a parallel foreign policy to the South African government. When the president of South Africa goes anywhere, he's mandated through internal procedure of the state and of government. There are processes that are followed. There is a mandate. I myself follow a certain procedure. This mandate, these processes are mandated. I report to the cabinet and to government. I also account to parliament. So a former president does not have all those processes. So really he can't be representing the South African government anyway.
Kodwa incazelo kaZuma yashaqisa abaningi ekhuluma nabezindaba eNdiya. Uthe ukuvakasha kwakhe kwakungeyona nje indaba yobungani, kwakungokomoya futhi. uZuma wazichaza njengomuntu wezendabuko ethi uAJ Gupta wamethula kumelaphi wendabuko onamandla edolobheni langakubo. Lo mhlengikazi uzomnika amandla angokomoya ukuze amsize anqobe ukhetho ekhaya eNingizimu Afrika.
Because I'm contesting, and he therefore did say that he has his brother and friend, and I was very keen to see the brother and friend. And yesterday I had an opportunity for the first time to see this man of God. I'm telling you, I feel I am going to win the elections because people of God, they've been with me. And I would like to thank this big man that he had an opportunity to be with me the whole day today. But yesterday I was with him as well. He is a man of God. I think he's doing things that are not easy to many to do. And I'm therefore very happy that I'm in this country. He has shown me what happens. I think he has been with me.
Abagxeki manje bayabuza ukuvakashela kukaZuma umbaleki ofunwayo kuhluke kanjani kulokho okwenziwa uSecretary General weMK Party uFloyd Shivambu. Intukuthelo yeANC isobala, kodwa ingabe bazothatha isinyathelo na? Ingabe uJacob Zuma kufanele yini alahlekelwe amalungelo akhe njengomongameli wangaphambili ngokuvakashela umbaleki futhi afune amandla angokomoya okhetho? Noma ingabe lesi esinye isahluko esibucayi kwezopolitiki laseNingizimu Afrika lapho ukuziphendulela kuncike ekutheni ungubani. Uma ufuna ukuzwa ngezinye zezindaba zezombangazwe zaseNingizimu Afrika, sicela ukuba usubscribe ku-channel yethu Izindaba Ngesintu.